Cordless drill, cordless leaf blower, reciprocating saw from Snap Fresh. User's manual, some drill bits, flexible drill extension, a battery, 20 volts, a battery charger, main unit, drill bits organizer, torque adjustment, speed switch, charging speed test, when plugged in, it consumes about 0.3 watts idle with nothing on the charger. Well, surprisingly fast. This is 61 watts. That's crazy. This is really fast. I'll use the included bits to drive in some screws. Setting at the lowest torque. No problem at the lowest torque, but unable to back it up. So I increase the torque a little bit. Much better. Well, that's a lot of torque. It sank in the screw real good. Let's try the highest torque setting. That is good. Oh man. Easily. A larger one. Still on a full battery. I'm gonna change to a larger bit. Okay, after drilling all these holes, this thing is super hot. Another test, the included flexible bit for tight spaces. Driving in screws, right? I'll use the low speed setting at higher torque. So it's easier to control at lower speed. That works. Let's back it up. Larger one. Bars. It is doable, but it's hard to control. My conclusion, this tool is not as powerful as the DeWalt brushless, of course, but it is also not as expensive and not as heavy. It's really lightweight. Battery life lasts a long time, and it is well made. It has sufficient power for most homeowners. If you are a pro, definitely go with the DeWalt. But if you are getting started, you have limited budget, this Snap Fresh is a great alternative to DeWalt or Ryobi. Thanks for watching.